Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to Jumian's channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I make this Amla conditioning shampoo. And for my subscribers, you know it's been a little bit over a month since I've been here on my channel giving you video. I have a lot of stuff in stock, like hopefully after this video there's going to be a video about the oil that I posted, and I am going to be giving you guys surprise as we're entering the holiday season. I actually have 3 versions of this Amla shampoo. I do have one that is African black soap base, and I have another one. The base of that is castile soap. The videos are going to be rolling out one after the other for a reason, so it will be easy for you to pick the one that you want to follow. Like I said, I've been gone for a little bit, been not posting, but trust me, I have been working behind the scene to bring you guys some formulas. As you know, I love to use chemical-free products. Have I learned a lot about the hair industry, like the formulation and stuff? I have learned a lot. I've paid some money to learn a lot. I've been to some courses just to learn as much as possible so I can give you guys the best of the best, at least in my own way, based on the formula that I would like to have on my hair. If you're new here, I'm gonna say thank you and welcome to the family. If you've been here with me for a long time, thank you for your patience, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna say, if you're watching my video for the first time, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video, and please subscribe if you like my channel, the kind of video that I make. Please continue to watch this video, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys. I am going to be starting with the water phase. I'm using 175 grams of distilled water. I'm going to set that to the side, and I'm going to be adding 12.5 grams of vegetable glycerin in a container, because it's going to be easy for me to mix the 2.5 grams of xanthan gum, because if I dissolve it in the water directly, it's just going to clump up. In the same mixture, I am going to be adding the 10 grams of D-L-panthenol. D-L-panthenol is a provitamin B5. It allows hair to have a deep moisture deposit in our strands. I am going to be adding Amla powder to the mixture. I'm just trying to get everything in this mixture because it's going to be easy for me to mix with the water. As you all know, I love using Amla powder on this channel because it helps to strengthen hair and scalp. It does stimulate hair growth and help reduce hair loss too. I'm going to add in the same mixture 5 grams of aloe vera powder. Aloe vera plant has an enzymes that help repair dead skin cell on our scalp, and it is a great conditioner too. I am going to be adding the mixture into the water. Even though I didn't directly add all this into the water, I still have to be careful on how I mix it, because I do not want to bring a lot of bubble or a lot of hair into this mixture at this time. As you're looking at it, you can see all the bumps and stuff. All those are gonna go away after I heat it up a little bit. The reason why I am taking my time with this is if I allow too much hair to go in it, it's going to let my shampoo just bubble up too much, which I'm trying to avoid that. I am going into the soap phase. In this beaker, I added 25 grams of coca butane. Coca butane is a very mild surfactant that have great flash foam and bubbles. It is derived from coconut oil. This is a sulfate-free shampoo, so I am not using any sulfate. As a matter of fact, I am just trying to use all the mild ingredients on this because I have to be careful about sulfate in my hair. This is a cleaning agent, if you're wondering. I am going to be combining that with the sodium cocoa acetonate to it. This is a mild surfactant too. It is derived from coconut oil as well. It's just a powder. It gives a very nice leather and the foams are very nice too. It's a clean agent too. At this point, I am going to be checking on the pH of my gel mixture before I add the soap to it. And right now I am sitting at 4.2 pH, so I'm good. I am rinsing my pH meter. I use distilled water to rinse it out, and I'm going to set it to the side. Moving on, I'm adding my cleaning agent into my gel mixture. It would take me so long to just kind of mix everything together without applying it, because it's going to take a lot for me to mix this. So I am using a very low heat to just mix. Take your time in this phase. Try as much as possible not to mix it in such a way that you're going to introduce too much bubble into it. Because it's now getting warm, you can see the plums are kind of dissolving a little bit at a time, and you can see it's kind of looking like a shampoo. I am introducing this tiny hand blender. I am using it because it works really well for me at this phase. I only have to use it for a little bit, and you can see everything is mixed and everything is good to go. This phase, and it's looking like shampoo is forming. I'm going to go ahead and measure my pH. This is really important to me, like I said earlier. We got to 4.57 and we're doing good. Shampoo pH should be between 4.0 and 6.0 pH. If you have anything lower than that, it's not good, and if it's higher, it's not good for your hair. I am going to be adding castor oil. That's my oil. I am going to be adding some lavender essential oil. I use this more for smell, but it helps promote hair growth too. I added hydrolyzed rice protein because it increased hair volume, add natural shine to the hair, and helps hair to bind with moisture, which is really what I need in this formulation. This bottle I got from Amazon. If you are interested, I'm going to list everything that I use on the description box below. This is it. The shampoo is done. The consistency is the right consistency for me. It really look good. If I want to add color at this point, before I pour it, I will have had color, but really I just want to go ahead and do it so you see what the natural color is. The other video of the same Amla conditioning shampoo that is coming, they actually have different color to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question at all for me, if there's anything that I'm supposed to touch that I did not touch, please leave your question below for me. This is my handy dandy label that I made out of my computer and printed out just so to look a little bit professional. I'm trying to just up my game. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.